Let's do this. What's up, family? It's not so technical, Thomas. Alright, so with the pandemic hitting and all this crazy stuff, a lot of us are working from home now. It's a change of pace when you used to being out there in office with a lot of people. And shout out to those who are not so fortunate and cannot stay home and be safe like a lot of us are forced to. Prayers and blessings be with you. But back to the topic at hand. I was going over my new home office. You know, I always had an office, but I never used it for the purpose of my work. I used it for editing videos and things like that. So I didn't spend a lot of time in here. But now I have to spend a lot of forced time in here whether I like it or not. So I want to go on this journey of making my office, simple as it is, the most comfortable, ergonomic, and smart place that I can on the best budget that I can. So that's what I'm gonna bring you today. A gadget that I found that's really simple and something that might be overlooked that can really improve your office situation. Now, side note, I recorded this video already, did an excellent unboxing, excellent review, and 2020 hit me in the form of my mic died in the middle of the recording, and it was just a video that needed caption. So I'm gonna try this again, and I raged out, so let's try it again. But here you go. All right, so this device is really, really cool. This device will improve your home office setup. What is it? Let's find out. All right. So let's say I got a cup of drink over here. Bottle of water, right? Love this water. Yeah, just a bottle. Sometimes I get it out of the fridge before I start my day, and I sit on my desk to remind myself, hey, drink your water. This bottle leaks on my desk. So what did I do? Like I said, I'm cheap. I try to get things affordable, so I got a coaster. Yeah, it's, I mean, do we really need to discuss? It's a Christmas coaster. It was also like 30 cents for a 4-pack. Doesn't work that well. Doesn't work that well at all. The liquid seeps in, it gets mushy, and it rolls off the edge. Started looking around, what can I do? Are there any good coasters? And then, you know, the wondrous machine of Amazon suggested to me this bad boy. And so essentially what this does is a cup holder that holds your water, your drink, or whatever you need it to. Just like that. But what makes it special is it's a hinge. So basically, you would stick this thing on the edge of your desk and it hangs off. And I'll show you that in a minute. It hangs off the side of your desk. Therefore, creating more space is more ergonomic. It's out of your way. And when it leaks, it doesn't have to get, the liquid doesn't have to get on your desk. Now, a caveat to this one, they make a whole bunch of these, but the one, a particular one I got has a drain at the bottom. I mean, you might like that, you might not. I wish I didn't get it so once the water drains in there, I can just take it out and dump it instead of it leaking on the floor, but not that big of a deal. I could put a napkin in there or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how this clamps down on the desk. It's a good, small, cheap upgrade to your office situation. Now come on, let me go in and show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna show you what I was talking about, how this clamp feature really comes into play. All right, so boom, bottle of water, right? Just to the left, my hand's right here, just to the left of this is my mouse pad and stuff. So when I put my coaster over here, it takes up this much real estate. So the advantage of this device right here, see if you can see it, it opens up, and then inside is soft padding of some sort. Can't really see it because it's black and it's flush against there. So you shouldn't have to worry about your surface getting scratched up either. You open it and then put it on there as such. And now put your bottle of water in there. Voila. Now I can still reclaim all this space. And sometimes I put I don't know, my wallet up here or something, or if I need to get to it or whatever I need to get to, I put it up here. And it's almost flush with the surface of the desk. It's almost like a slight hump, but it's still, I got all this real estate versus just having the bottle up there and now I got to move this thing constantly out the way. Again, I don't get any sweating upon this desk. It drips out the bottom. Like I said, you can put a napkin in here, soft pad, and shouldn't scratch it up. Easy on, easy off. And I've put all types of bottles in here. When this was full, it's pretty heavy, pretty solid. It doesn't move or anything. I bumped into it, still works good. I put all kind of cups in here. Note that the same company and a million others on Amazon, they also have a version of this, which I will be getting, that you can sit your coffee mug in, and it has a little cutout in this back piece right here. So the handle can sit flush in there. Does the same exact thing. It comes in different colors. I'll link down below, of course, where you could get this from. And I say this is definitely a small, slight upgrade that you can get for your office. So you can move it anywhere you want. You might want to have it over here. And bam, now your water's over there. You have even more real estate. So this is a slight minimum office upgrade that's not too invasive or takes too much space. So again, it's Not So Technical Thomas. Subscribe, like, share, you know, all this other stuff YouTubers say. All right, till the next time.